How to get a Chase debit card online. If you want to get a Chase debit card online, first of all, you have to understand that usually your debit card is actually provided to you whenever you open up a checkings account automatically. It will be given in the branch that you have selected. You just have to go to the nearest branch and then receive your debit card. But for some reason, you might have not gotten, you might want to also apply for a replacement debit card or something like that. Here I'm on their help section on how to get a debit card. Let's see what Chase Bank has to say about it. First of all, once you're approved for a checking account, the debit card is often provided to you. Now here you can see how to get a new debit card, and all of these options you can actually activate the card or by confirming receipt through your bank account, mobile and app. What do you need to get a debit card? There are a few documents you will need to open a checking account online. So you need to have a checking account, and once you have the checking account, the debit card will be usually provided to you by default. So if you have now not sure how you can open up a checking account, we also already have made a dedicated tutorial for that. You can just click on the find a checking account number here, and this way you'll be able to apply and get your Chase debit card online. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.